Abongile Tom. I like you very much. I like you in that field of play when you take decisions. And yes, sometimes you take decisions that we're not happy about. Some you take decisions that we are happy about. But in this game, Derby, people will ask, but how? Then I'll say it now. I'll give you 8 out of 10. Why I'm giving you 8 out of 10? You control the game. And you were in the game. You were involved in the game. The 2 that made me to say I'm giving you 8, not 10 out of 10, is because 1, yes, you've got your assistant that also guide you to say, yes, this is correct, this is not correct. 1, I'm not sure whether Apolise was offside. I still have to be corrected. I'm not sure. But I strongly believe that he was onside. That is 1. 2, protect key players. Protect the other players, the opponents. When you see this other team that, yes, there's nothing wrong by using the physicality in the game. Football is a game of contact. Yes, I agree with that. But when you see that they are too aggressive to the other party, to the other opponents, then you need really to come to the party and put your foot down to say, look, if I'm not going to give one a yellow card, then it's not going to be nice for everyone. And I thought if you gave one of Kaizer Chiefs a card, I think we were going to see a different ball game of Kaizer Chiefs, because Okachene, I thought, was supposed to be out. Mabuya was supposed to be out. And imagine if you take those 2 players out, the midfielders of Kaizer Chiefs, then that was going to be done and dusted for Orlando Pirates. So what I'm saying is that you're doing a very good job. You handled some issues, but these 2 issues, I think they missed. You missed to take the right decisions. Tango.
Catch the full convo on our YouTube channel, Omni Audio Africa. Omni Sport.